And welcome to another episode of my vlog. And today's vlog is all about the changing riding mode, as I'm riding Himalayan 450 and I can change the riding mode while I'm riding the bike. So let's just start. So see, if I want to change while I'm riding, if I press the mode switch, it will show that mode change denied. So I will show you that how to change this riding mode. So the point is pretty simple. Pull the clutch, leave the throttle and then press. See, you can change. You need to hold the clutch for 2-3 seconds. Again I will show you. Pull the clutch, leave the throttle and press the mode switch. Performance ABS on mode. I am pulling the clutch and now the mode has been changed. You see there is no error message over there. But if I leave the clutch early, in that case it will show that mode change denied. So again, if I want to change from performance mode to ABS mode, then pull the clutch, leave the throttle, press the mode button, ABS, eco mode, ABS on, and now the mode has been changed to eco. You can feel the significant difference between the performance and the eco mode. And also one thing, while riding you cannot switch off the ABS. The mode you can only switch is that performance ABS on and eco ABS on. This is the only two mode. But while in standing mode you can change to ABS off, performance ABS off and eco ABS off as well. So that's it for the riding mode, and see you in the next video with the performance mode and riding mode, the performance mode and the eco mode review. So let's see you in the next video.